Hello, today we will guide you through how to pause a Zoom recording. If you are recording a meeting in Zoom and need to temporarily stop capturing audio and video without ending the recording completely, pausing is the easiest option. This is especially helpful if there is a short break, a private discussion, or any moment you do not want included in the final recording. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple actions. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully launched and ready to use. If Zoom is already open, you can simply move on to the next part. The goal here is to get into the Zoom desktop interface where your meeting controls are available. Once Zoom is open, start or open a sample meeting. This can be any meeting where recording is active or about to be active. You need to be inside the meeting window to access the recording controls. If you are practicing, using a sample meeting is a good way to become familiar with the recording tools before using them in a live session. After you are inside the meeting, look toward the top area of the meeting window and hover your mouse over the recording icon. Moving your cursor over this icon helps reveal the available recording options. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct control, since Zoom groups several meeting tools in the same general area. When the recording options appear, click on Pause Recording. This will temporarily stop the recording while keeping the meeting itself active. That means participants can remain in the call, and you can resume recording later when you are ready. Pausing is useful because it helps keep your final recording cleaner and more focused, without needing to stop and start separate files. If you plan to continue recording after the pause, keep an eye on the recording status indicator in Zoom so you can confirm whether the recording is paused or active. This can help prevent missing important content by accident. And that's all it takes to pause a Zoom recording. Open the Zoom app, enter your meeting, hover over the recording icon, and select Pause Recording. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference when you want more control over what gets captured in your meeting recording. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps make your Zoom recordings easier to manage.